You're welcome to my channel. This is Vsmdesigns. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful designer's pocket like a professional. In the course of this video, if you encounter any issue or challenge, do make use of the comment section, or you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is on the description box and also on the comment section. So let's dive in to the tutorial of the day. First of all, you're going to cut your gum. We call it cloth gum or collar gum, whichever one that you prefer, but this is cloth gum. You cut it into the dimension that you want, then fold it in 2 equal places. Then you can mark out the shape that you want. It can be any shape at all, but this is the shape that I want to do on this very pocket. After marking it, you are going to trim it with your scissors. Make sure that it is smooth. Yeah, that's it. So when you open it, this is how it's going to look like. Make sure you don't match iron on the face of the gum. We are still going to make use of this for now to make sure that we don't lose the shape of our pocket. So this is the fabric I am going to gum it on. You have to smoothen it. Then this is the essence of not throwing this piece away. You have to put it here to make sure that you maintain the shape of your pocket. Now I'm going to pull this off. Then I'll go ahead and gum it firmly, after which I'm going to trim the sides and the inner, making sure that you leave allowance for folding. Then this first notch there, you are going to make it close to the gum, whereas these other remaining ones, make sure it doesn't touch the gum. This must touch the gum a bit, but all these other ones must not go very close to the gum, otherwise you will not get a smooth fold. After that, you are going to slice your hemming gum. Then you heat up the area and paste the hemming gum. Then you now fold it, making sure that it's smooth. You have to do it gently and carefully as well. It's very important that you make use of your cooler while you do this. Otherwise, many of the times after you raise your iron, it might pull out. The fold might raise. So make sure you make use of your cooler. Once you are through with that, let's still make sure that we are on track with this centerpiece. So here now, obviously we have to close the top a little bit. Now you fold the sides of the pocket. Our pocket is half done. So once you are through with this, you are going to cut a piece of fabric which we are going to use to achieve the design on the center of the pocket. So we take it to our machine. We are going to form pleats. Just like this. If you've watched my previous videos, you should be very conversant with this part of the tutorial, because I've done something like this a good number of times. So you might want to go back and search for some of my videos that have this kind of design and watch those videos. As you are doing this, make sure you are using your footer to measure the size of the allowance that you are giving, because it's very important that they are equal. If they are not equal or almost equal, the outcome will not be that beautiful. So make sure that you measure it while you are sewing. After that, we are going back to the table. We are now going to smoothen it with iron. If you don't have a steam iron, make sure that you sprinkle enough water on the surface on the clothes before you iron, so that it will help it to smoothen. You might be wondering how or why I'm matching iron on the written parts of the fabric. This is cashmere 180s, and that part does not melt. So after you've smoothened it, you are going to set your pocket. You are going to place the pocket you formed on top of it, allowing the pleat that you've made to be slanting. You slant it so that it will have a beautiful outcome. Then once again, you are going to heat up the surface of the pocket and place your sliced hemming gum on it, after which you come back and place it on the pleated fabric. You slant it to your choice. You can decide to make it vertical, you can decide to make it horizontal, however you want it, that you feel is beautiful. But this is how I prefer it. So I measure it to make sure that the size of the upper side and the size of the lower side are the same. So I will go ahead and match iron on it. Next thing I'm going to do is to take it to the machine and run thread on it. I will run it round. Then I am going to run double thread on it as well to give it a good look. When I'm done with the threading, the next I'm going to do is to trim off the excess fabric. Make sure you are not cutting your pockets. Then we're almost through. You are going to fold it this way. Then I've just folded it and I'm back to the machine for us to fix it on the cloth itself. I have already marked the place I'm going to fix it, and I am going to attach a label, pocket label, to it to make the outfit more beautiful. Are you finding anything difficult to learn? Reach out to me and I will have a private class with you, and it will be for a fee. How do you get across to me? Join my WhatsApp platform. Go to the participant section and chat up the admin. So I'll go ahead and sew it on the clothes. This will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to do so. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching.